This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Carol Bukanovich. You can have it all here. Easy access to 485, just around the corner from Prosperity Village, restaurants, grocery stores and more. HOA includes lawn care, exterior maintenance, water/sewer, clubhouse, fitness room and outdoor pool. This spacious 2-bed, 2.5 half with loft and study has a large entryway with drop zone area, deep storage closet and half bath. Main level with an open feel and engineered hardwood. Kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with bar, white cabinets and eat-in breakfast area that overlooks the great room. Upper level has open loft with closet, large primary bedroom with walk-in closet and study/office attached, secondary bedroom, guest bath west/soaking.